Hey lovelies, I am so excited for today's video because I'm going to be doing a little unboxing of this gorgeous new handbag I received in the mail from Teddy Blake. I'm also going to do like a review and we're going to do a little styling session just so you can see the handbag paired with a bunch of different outfits. But if you haven't heard of Teddy Blake before, they are actually based in New York and they are Italian leather luxury handbags without the luxury price tag. So these handbags are some of the most beautiful purses and bags I've ever seen in my entire life. They are such incredible high quality and they are made with the most beautiful leather. Their designing team, so the people that actually design and create their handbags, have worked for all various like high-end designers, and they're bringing you that same aesthetic with that same quality, if not 10 times better, at such a much more reasonable price point. They actually have 70% off site-wide at the moment as well. So if you're someone who's in the market for a really good high quality leather handbag, but you don't want to pay stupid prices, definitely check out Teddy Blake. They are so reasonably priced for what they are, and they are just incredibly beautiful bags. So without further ado, I'm going to jump straight on into it. If you want to shop this particular bag, I'll leave the link in the description box for you guys. And yeah, let's get to unboxing so you can see how beautiful it is. And then I'm going to do a little fashion show of a bunch of different outfits paired with this purse so you can just see how gorgeous it really is with everything you possibly own in your wardrobe. So my beautiful little pooch, Lily, really wanted to help me unbox this handbag. She was incredibly curious about what was inside. As you can see, the Teddy Blake bags come packaged in these beautiful display boxes. The actual branding and the way everything is packaged is just so simple and luxurious. As you can see on the inside of the lid, you have the information about the luxury leather and it being made in Italy. Honestly, I can't even get over how gorgeous these bags are, and just like the whole experience of actually unboxing it. So you've got it packaged in this beautiful box, and then of course you have your bag in an actual dust bag, which is really important to keep, especially if you're someone who's not going to use this bag for an everyday type of handbag. When it's popped away in your cupboard, you can simply pop it back into the dust bag, and it will help to actually protect your leather handbag from dust and obviously other things like dust mites and moths and things like that. So definitely keep that if you're planning on only using it for special occasions. So I ended up opting for the Bella Vitello 10-inch black red handbag. I believe I'm pronouncing the name right. If I'm not, I'm so sorry. The dogs were like, what is this? Is this for us or is this for you? But it is definitely for mummy pups. It's the most beautiful little mini tote bag, and it's actually the most perfect size. I don't personally like very large handbags. This actually fits like my phone, my wallet, my keys, and a few little makeup pieces for like touch-ups, and it's all I need for every day, and it's also the most perfect size for like formal occasions as well. As you can see, the black leather is just gorgeous, and then the inside of the actual bag is like a red sort of velvety material fabric, and it also comes with a cross-body strap as well, which I very much appreciate. It has gold hardware and gold detailing, and the quality of those actual gold hardware pieces are just so amazing. Like, they're really solid. I can't see the color of them ever sort of being affected. With cheaper handbags, often the actual gold will flake off the handbag itself. So on the inside, as you can see, you've got the main pocket, and on the back and front you also have zipper pockets as well. So what I would do is put my phone and wallet in these zip compartments just to make sure they're extra safe, and then I'll use the center compartment for more things like my makeup. The sides of the bags also have these press stud closures, so if you want to open it up to have better access, or you're trying to fit something a little bit large in it, it means you can actually get into the handbag a little bit more easily. But overall, the quality of it is just outstanding. Even look at the stitching detailing, like how perfectly stitched this purse is. Okay, so we're going to call this outfit going out for like some cocktails with your girlfriends. I won't be having any cocktails because I'm actually over 3 months pregnant right now. But in theory, like if I wasn't pregnant, well, I guess I could have mocktails. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to go out and I'll be Deso, and I'll have mocktails with my girlfriends. So some cute ripped jeans, a nice little basic heel with a black bodysuit, and of course my beautiful Teddy Blake handbag. And we have it on the actual crossbody strap as well, which I absolutely love. So if you are someone who likes to wear your handbag actually like over your body, which if I'm in the city, for example, if I'm shopping in Sydney or something like that, I 110% feel safer having my bag as a crossbody, but then you can just like sling it over your shoulder too. That wasn't very glamorous, but yeah, this is outfit number 1 with my little Teddy Blake purse. This is probably my favorite outfit if I'm totally honest. Cute. Cute. Goes perfectly with the ensemble. Okay, so next up we've got a color blocking, sort of casual, semi-active wear, but not really like clothes that you're actually active in. It's more like you're going out for breakfast on a Sunday with your partner or your girlfriends, and this is the fit. So you've just got like your super cute matchy tracksuit outfit. We've got white joggers, and of course we have the beautiful Teddy Blake handbag. And it's just, it goes with everything. Just a good old black little leather purse. You can't go wrong. Doesn't matter if you're not wearing any other black, a black handbag goes with everything. So I think this is the most beautiful little handbag as well for a more formal event too. What I would do for more formal occasions and dressier events is simply take off the crossbody strap and just carry it like a little mini tote. It literally sits on my wrist so perfectly, and it's just like a really nice handbag. Although it's leather, it's still not too heavy, and it just goes with everything. Like when I say it goes with everything, it goes with everything. It looks gorgeous whether you be in a super casual sort of outfit or like glammed up to the nines. It's honestly like the most perfect little purse. I just love it so much, and it's just so versatile. And then last but certainly not least, we have ladies who like to brunch. My husband refers to this outfit as my soccer mum outfit. Don't you?
Yeah, soccer mum.
Do you think I look like Lauren in this outfit? I thought this is an outfit Lauren would wear.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
My sister, who's a mum. Well, I'm technically a mum. I just haven't given birth yet. I keep forgetting. Oh, but yeah, I think this looks really cute with this outfit. Yet again, I have the crossbody strap off for this outfit, and it just looks so nice, just like literally paired down with a totally casual outfit. Yet again, it's the only black accessory, but I just think you cannot go wrong with a black leather handbag. I personally never purchase handbags in any other color other than black, just because it goes with everything. So like you can't go wrong. And yeah, so that's the last outfit. I hope I gave you guys some cute little inspiration ideas for some fits, and also just so you could see it paired with different outfits, so you just know really how versatile it is. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. I just think it's so cute. Like you can't really go wrong with a bag like this. It's just beautiful. So if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to shop any Teddy Blake products or just have a little browse, their link is in my description box. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be talking to you guys in the comment section and in my next video. Bye.